Welcome to the world of Doran Studio. My name is Katrina Doran and I love to break things up. I'm a mosaic artist and I've recently been making things for the garden. And this little project right here is called an olla, O-L-L-A. It is the Spanish word for pot. And I have these gorgeous terracotta pots made in Italy. And one is a pot and one is the saucer for a pot. You can see these have been out in my garden for a bit. But I turned it into a watering device for my raised garden bed. And how I did that was I took the clay pot, I inserted a cork into the bottom hole, and it's a cork that fits snugly into that hole. And then underneath that I put silicone glue, and over the silicone glue a piece of fiberglass mesh, and over that some thinset mortar, and then I put my name into it, K. Doran, and the word Olla. And then that has cured. This will be the vessel for water. And then I made a lid with the, what would you call this? The saucer of the pot. And I mosaiced the top with some unglazed porcelain tiles. I wanted to leave the central component of this saucer because it says made in Italy. And I think that's a charming pot of this particular terracotta planter. And I used thinset mortar to apply my unglazed porcelain. And then I added this lovely porcelain dog to the top. This is a NAO by Yadro porcelain figurine. It's a very nice figurine that I picked up at an estate sale because it had been broken and glued back together. But I just thought that would make such a charming lid for this olla and a fun thing to find in my garden. So what one does after making these two components is to plant this into the raised garden bed until about to this rim, or to the rim where that sits slightly above it, to fill this vessel with water. Add the lid so that you don't get mosquitoes breeding in here, and so that you can refill the vessel as needed. And then as your plants around this vessel begin to send down their roots into the soil, the roots find the water that they're able to access because this is a porous material. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? So make an olla for your garden. It's a lot of fun. Thanks for watching.